Para sa akin, ito yung pinaka the best version ng Montero. Kaya kung gusto mo na ito, I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2013 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV, automatic transmission, exterior wise, fresh original paint, auto retractable side mirrors, 18 inches wheels at makakapalang tires. At sa harap, projector headlights, fog lamps, may chrome accent yung grille at 1 ang ending. At sa engine, it's a 2.5 liter turbo diesel automatic transmission engine. At yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaganda pa, napakatibay ng makina ng mga Montero. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. At dito sa loob, super intact na headliner, fresh leather seat at napakagandang design ng dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, mini storage dito, automatic transmission, 2 cup holder, center console, at napakaayos sa steering wheel. May mga controls na rin dito at may paddle shifter, analog display at vanity mirror on both sides at may shade holder na rin to. At sa second row, okay ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 patangit ko, meron siyang air vents at aircon controls. At sa third row, medyo masikip pag malaki ka pero meron siyang overhead vents at 2 cup holders. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga taillight, high trim GLSV. At sa trunk, napakaluwag ng trunk space at kompleto ng tools, spare tire and jack. So this is the 2013 Mitsubishi Montero GLSV automatic transmission. So kung gusto niyo to guys, for only 785,000 pesos lang. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So tawag ka na, best buy na to. Thank you guys. Peace out.